Top Kaizer Chiefs target has rejected R3 million offer and several clubs chasing after him. Amakhosi are pursuing Marumaka Lions 30-year-old striker Ranga Chivaviro. With Caleb Bimengimana set to leave, Chiefs are looking for a replacement. Chivaviro has emerged as a top target as young Africans Fiston Mayele deemed too expensive. Mayele would cost Chiefs more than R12 million as he still has a running contract with young Africans. Chivaviro has scored 17 goals in all competitions with Marumaka Lions, 10 goals in the DStv Premiership and 7 goals in the CAF Confederation, which took them to the semi-finals. Do you think Kaizer Chiefs should continue pursuing Fiston Mayele regardless of his price tag of over R12 million? Do you think Chivaviro would survive at Naturena with Zwane's tactics? Or do you think we would have another Caleb saga? Please do share your thoughts down below.